It can be so overwhelming farming a lot of crypto projects, especially with the current trends that we have out there. A lot of crypto projects that are coming on board are onboarding their users via the Telegram app. So if you don't stay organized, you can lose track of thoughts of the project you are farming until the day you will be asked to connect your wallet. Then you'll be shocked that your allocation is zero, probably too small to worth anything valuable. So guys, this tutorial is going to show you how you can organize your Telegram chat and stay well planned ahead of time. So if you watch this tutorial, kindly like and subscribe, because trust me, you get value from this video. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. To open my Telegram app, right on my Telegram, you can see this is my chat list, and it's filled with a lot of crypto projects and farming, as well as private chats and channels which I am part of. But trust me, it can be so frustrating, when you're trying to look for the projects you're farming, or when you're trying to remember the ones you're farming and the ones you aren't farming. Because trust me, you might even not remember to farm a particular project that you really want to be part of. So guys, let's organize this chart and see how it's going to turn out to be at the end. So you go to the menu bar here, click on the menu bar here, then you go to settings, choose your settings, then you scroll down a bit and select chat folders. This is what you would select, so I'll click on it. Now this is where we create a folder. Creating a folder on Telegram is more like creating a subsection of your chat list. So you would, in that folder, you can specify what you want to be in the folder, what you want to see and what you don't want to. So this helps you stay well organized on Telegram. So we're doing this for the crypto projects we're farming currently. So let's get straight to it. I would click on create new folders here. So let's click on that. So this is where you input the folder name, whatever name you want to give the folder, and this is how we can add our chat. So I would call this my crypto. That is what I want to call the folder. I believe there's a character limit here. You can see these are 3. I cannot type my crypto project. It has exceeded the amount of characters that I can input there. You can see we have -5. So we can just leave it as my crypto. You can call it whatever you want to call it. You can call it mining. So these are the projects you're mining. Yeah, you can call it mining and leave it that way as well. So whatever name you think you would love, you can put it there. So I would add the project that I'm farming right here. Click on add chats. Then let's search for the project we're farming. So we all know hamster. So we'll be adding the bot and not the channel. This is the channel. We want to add the bots because this is the folder we want to create for the projects we are farming. So we only want the bots to be there because we are farming those projects via the bots, not the channels. So I'll add the bot. Farming Blom. I'll search for Blom. I'll add the bot. I know Pixel Wallet. I'm also farming Pixelverse. Yeah. So if you don't remember most of these projects, you can type as little as you remember. There's another way you can add those bots or those projects to this folder. Even when you even join a new project, you don't have to always come here to add them to this folder. So let's stop here for now and let's get back to see how it's going to work. So I'll click on this check icon here. I'm done. And now this is what we've added. These are just the 4 projects we've added so far. Then click on save here. And now we're done. It's saved it. Here we have it, mining, and this is the all chat. So let's go back to the main interface. Yeah, so now you can see it. This is the folder we created, mining. This is what we had before. This is the folder we created, mining. You can create more than one folder, for different reasons. So you can follow the same procedures and create a different folder for a different purpose. But I'm sure there's a limit for the regular users of Telegram. If you're a premium user, I'm sure you can go probably infinity. Now I would click on mining. Let's see the projects we've added there. You see, these are the 4 projects we added to this folder, mining. So this is where I can farm this project successfully. So now, how can I add other projects to this folder in the future? Probably when I'm joining a project for the first time and it's on the all chat. How can I move it to my mining folder so I'll be organized? It's fine. Now you can search for that project. We all know Nomis here. So you can just place your hand on the no miss, then you select 3 dots at this side, select it, then you select add to folder. This is the folder we created, so we want to add it to the mining folder. So you select mining folder and you're done. That's been added to the mining folder. A lot of people would rather archive their chat, like you have a archive at the top there. But trust me, if you've noticed, most of the projects you archive, when it gets to a particular point in time, it gets deleted. You have to start searching for that project once again. That is if you even remember there's a project missing in your archive. So if you come to the mining folder here, you see we have the no miss here, and I can farm the no miss directly from this point. So guys, that is how you create a folder on Telegram and stay organized, and it's going to help you a lot farming project on Telegram. So if you've gotten value from this video, kindly like and subscribe, and if you would want to be part of our community, you can ask for the link to our community in the comment section and you would get it. Thank you so much. Until next time, have a wonderful day.